In this video, I will show you how to connect an IQJET to LEIBINGER Connect via LTE. First, you have to prepare the LTE stick. Insert the SIM card into the LTE stick. Now insert the LTE stick into the USB port for LEIBINGER Connect. Then go to the Settings section, Network, and LEIBINGER Connect. Select LTE as the transmission medium. Save the settings. The printer will now try to establish an internet connection. Wait until the printer has established a connection with LEIBINGER Connect. You can also see the exact status of the connection by clicking on the icon in the status bar. Once the connection to LEIBINGER Connect has been established, you can now register the printer. To do so, tap on the Register button. The printer displays a dialog box with the printer's serial number and a TAN. Write down both numbers. Open the LEIBINGER Connect website on your computer. A form window will appear. If the form window does not appear automatically, click on the Add button. Now enter the printer's serial number and the TAN in the form. If you like, you can assign a name to the printer. Then click on the Add button. That's it. Your printer will appear shortly thereafter in the LEIBINGER Connect interface. The registration dialog box on the printer disappears automatically, and the printer indicates that registration has been completed successfully.